Hi everyone. I've updated my website with a new GPT module. This module not only generates designs for t-shirts and other merchandise, but also creates complete listings for these designs. This includes titles, descriptions, bullet points, and keywords, tailored for merch by Amazon and RedBubble. I'll put a link to this page under the video. From there, you can navigate to ChatGPT to use this module. To access it, you'll need the paid version of ChatGPT 4. Let's see how it works. Here I specify the design I want, and GPT-4 generates it. The background is isolated, and I can remove it. If I'm not satisfied with the design, I can ask ChatGPT to redo it or make specific changes. However, I like this design, so I'll approve it. ChatGPT then starts creating listings for merch by Amazon and RedBubble. Here you can see the title, bullet point 1, bullet point 2, and a description for merch by Amazon, and here title, tags, and description for RedBubble. Let's try another one. This one, in my opinion, is great. Notice how the rat's tail even continues here. I like it, but let's suppose I want to change something. I simply write what I want, and let's see what it will generate. This one is okay too, but it has some flaws. There are extra elements like additional pause, and it's unclear what this is. Most importantly, the design extends beyond the frame, making it unsuitable. We'll try redoing it. And this attempt is completely off target. When it seems like ChatGPT doesn't understand or ignores our requests, we start a new one and specify what we want. Here, I added an extra instruction to make it look like they are laughing at something. Let's try it without the additional instructions. As always, when I make a video, something goes wrong. Today, the design tends to exceed the boundaries. Here, again, we have a problem with the legs. This one is workable, and I don't want to prolong the video unnecessarily. If you've done keyword research and know which keyword you want to add to the description, you should specify that before generating the listing. For this demo, I need to think of a keyword that ChatGPT might not come up with on its own. Let's use cheese killers as an example. So for RedBubble, it added cheese killers to the tags. However, RedBubble's title and description and Amazon, it completely overlooked it. Let's ask it to include cheese killers in all the listings. Now, it's much better. As you can see, you have the flexibility to work with this tool in various ways. You can either completely rely on it or you can make your own edits, whether to the design or the description. In the end, it will accommodate your requirements. If you have no idea what design to make, you can play around with these options. I must say it didn't make me laugh, but I was pleasantly surprised by the detailed and almost error-free text. For those interested in other productivity GPTs related to the merch business, here on my website, I will share GPTs that I create and that might be useful to you. The next feature I'm working on is a GPT module where you can upload your own design or image, and ChatGPT will write listings specifically for your design. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.